Yeah, so if we take the definition that I gave of migration of financial services to the internet, that means that there's an explosion in data. And that data can no longer be fit on a traditional banking ledger or an Excel spreadsheet. It has to be handled with programming code. So what we do with our graduates is that we train the students to program in Python, which is a high-level programming language, so they can process big data. At the same time, you need to be able to analyze that data in different ways. And also the way that you can analyze data becomes real time rather than at the close of business. So, for example, you can measure, just taking something random, individual footfall from Google. You can look at Google Trends for searches and trend searches. All of these data points being made every time we move somewhere with our mobile, for example. And the same goes for our financial transactions. We leave what's called a digital footprint.